Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. I'm Mahyar and today I'm here with another short tutorial for you. The tutorial we're going to work on today is about changing the scale of the sofa, which often happens when we have a kind of a single sofa that doesn't match the space that we have and we want to use the same sofa. So here I want to teach you how to change the scale of the sofa and turn it into a two-seater or three-seater with a different approach. So many times I've seen people using the scale command for this purpose, which is not the right method. Or for example, I've seen people working with edit poly. They select part of the mesh and move them. So which again is not the correct method. Or they use FFD. For example, they give FFD 2x2 and stretch it from one side, which again is not the right method to extend the sofa. So the best method for this task is to use this symmetry modifier. So from this one, after applying the symmetry modifier, the important part is to select the axis. So the axis I need should be the x direction. So I select the x-axis and deselect the z-axis. Now you can see that the axis is correct. Then you can open the subset, select mirror, and you can move it around. So you can see it's being mirrored, and as it's being mirrored, the armrest part of the sofa is actually being removed. So it's very easy to do this to do this way. If you move it a bit, you will see that these two parts are now perfectly matched and there is no need for additional work. Perfect. We've easily converted a single-seater sofa into a two-seater. So you can come back here and copy it again and paste it here if you want more. For example, I can easily convert it into a three-seater sofa. It's very easy and it's the right way to do it. So the method we're currently using is perfect. And it can be even bigger. You can see it can be stretched further. For example, it's turned into a four-seater sofa. Of course, you may need to make some small adjustments to make it more realistic. For example, a four-seater sofa with four legs is a bit difficult. You can copy these legs later and use them in between, but ultimately it's a great method for extending a sofa. Another thing you can do is keep it in the three-seater configuration and then rotate it from this part, and you will see it's transformed easily into an L-shaped sofa. Now you can use the move command and adjust it to get the correct corner. Or you can even change its configuration again. For example, in the previous configuration, now I press Ctrl Z to go back to the three-seater configuration. Then I copy from this modifier and paste it here. So I open the symmetry subset, select mirror, make the sofa bigger, maybe to make it a four-seater, and okay, and then rotate it. It's excellent, it's perfect. And now I can use move, and you can see how easily my sofa is resizing. Remember that the sofa we started with was a single-seater small sofa, but now it's turned into an L-shaped sofa. And you can see how easily the small single-seater sofa transformed into an L-shaped sofa with these dimensions briefly. So I just copy and delete the modifiers to see the differences. So it was previously like this, and now we have a kind of L-shape sofa for 4 or 5 guys. So this is really easy to with this method you can easily copy configurations and place them next to each other using the symmetry command without changing the state and without any problems. And it's the best method for this matter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, as it really helps me to get my videos seen, and I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now. Thank you, and until the next video, goodbye.